Attorney Jonathan Elson, reminding you that if you've been injured in an auto accident, it's important to have somebody on your side. When you need a lawyer,
then you need Nelson.
Okay, the PACT Act was signed by President Biden back in August of last year, and it opened up a lot of presumptive illnesses that high blood pressure, a lot of cancers, breathing issues because of toxic burn pits, a lot of exposures from Agent Orange, from the Gulf War, and so now there's more presumptives. And a veteran needs to come in. They need to start with their primary care physician, have the problem diagnosed, and then once it's been diagnosed, and if we can help them file a claim as a service-connected health issue, then that's what we do. We're at the Desert View Hospital by appointment only, and what I do is I help veterans. It's not just DAV members, it's veterans across the board. It's not the PACT Act, it's any ailments, any service-connected disability that a veteran had. Sore shoulder, foot injury, hearing loss, vision, tinnitus, diabetes, ischemic heart disease. There's a lot of things that if it's a service-connected health issue, then the veteran may qualify for service-connected compensation. We'll try to answer the questions, but if you have an ailment, oftentimes if you start with your primary care doctor, your VA doctor, they will know that it is a service-connected condition. Now with the VA and with veterans, the VA will cover across the board. So you're going to get health care regardless. The few times that we can go for compensation, it has to be a service, something that happened physically to you while you're on active duty. And you're living with the results now. When a veteran gets to be 100%, and they've been 100% with the VA for 10 years, it matters mostly with the spouse filing for disability compensation. A veteran that passes away from a service-connected compensation illness, his spouse can file for DIC, Dependent Indemnity Compensation. Before 10 years, the veteran has to pass away from a specific compensated event. After 10 years, I don't want to use the word be invested, but essentially you've been 100% for 10 years, then it's kind of across the board. A veteran passes away, the spouse can come in as long as they have a current marriage license, copy of the veteran's DD-214, death certificate, we can help them file for DIC. You can call my number for appointment, 775-537-5146. Call, leave your name and a phone number. I'll call you back, and then we'll see if we can't schedule an appointment in to come and talk about disability. What we essentially do is we help the veterans file we do the fat finger. We type up the forms, we do the submitting, we help the veteran to file a complete form.